Indian icon. And let's go to our judges.
Are you here with family?
And no, I came alone because I have two small kids and my husband is taking care of them. Like they wouldn't let me, sing, or they won't stay for that long. So
Are you nervous?
a little bit.
Friends, please put your hands together for Sai Sisla, all the way from Mountain House, California.
बोलूंगी मैं तेरी ही बानी गाऊंगी मैं तेरे इश्क दा चोला पहन के मैं खुद में ही रंग जाऊंगी तेरे इश्क दा चूड़ा पहन के मैं खुद ही में रंग जाऊंगी मैं नचदी फिरा बन ठन बलिए हो मैं नचदी फिरा बन ठन बलिए हो
All right, let's go straight to our judges for our feedback. अनुपमा जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
बहुत अच्छा गाया इन्होंने, बट कहीं कहीं सुर इनका थोड़ा जाता है, जिन्हें उनको थोड़ा कमांड करना पड़ेगा सुर में. सो आप प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस करें और इससे अच्छा भी आप गा सकती हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anupama ji. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, it was like, he was sitting just in front of me. I was like really nervous. At the same time, like it was a dream come true kind of thing, like, seeing him.
Hi, my name is Sonia, and I am most excited about being performing at 3i with such talented people.
Please put your hands together for Sonia Garg, all the way from Greenville, South Carolina.
I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Wow. Performance, original song by Adele. which obviously is all about high pitch and high. We'll go straight to our judges and see what feedback do they have for us.
I liked it. Very nice. Yeah, the most important thing in singing is that there has to be ease while singing. That was there in your singing. Only thing I'll suggest you to work on your low notes. If you just increase the weight in the singing, it will enhance your singing very much. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Great performance. Please.
What was it like seeing Jatinji for the first time?
You know, like what I imagined and what I see on television, it was that and more.
I've been singing for a little while now, but I never really learned professionally. This is more of my passion and my hobby. But I know that I'm ready and I'm excited to be here.
Friends, please put your hands together for a very young and talented singer born and brought up here in USA, Viraj Mishra from Troy, Michigan.
सुनो ना संगमरमर की ये मीनारे कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा ताज तुम्हारा सुनो ना संगमरमर की ये मीनारे
ग्रैंड मास्टर से पूछते हैं जतिन सर, आपको कैसी लगी ये परफॉर्मेंस?
बहुत मेरा फेवरेट गाना है, बहुत अच्छा गाया तुमने। एक उसमें जगह आ रही थी, बड़ी साफ आ रही थी। खाली क्या है ना बच्चे कि गाने में जहाँ तुम रियाज करते हो ना, तो जहाँ तुम्हें लगता है कि यहाँ ये पार्ट में मेरा लो पिच में वॉल्यूम कम आता है, उसको बढ़ाना चाहिए। उससे क्या है ना, गाना जब आप रिकॉर्ड करोगे it will sound very good in totality. What happens, certain places we are very comfortable, so those things are focused, you can hear them properly. It normally happens in low octave. You have to always practice in low octave, then you will see everything will start getting correct. Very nice. God bless you.
ये बात अपने पल्ले बांध लीजिए. It's coming from the legend. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
How do you feel now after the performance?
I feel good. I feel like I was practicing up till this moment, and finally letting it out.
Who's your favorite singer? This song is by Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh, of course.
Everybody loves Arijit Singh. I love Arijit Singh. Well, so what else do you do other than music?
Actually, currently I'm in university. I'm studying computer and electrical engineering.
I've been singing throughout my life. Since a child, I've learned classical singing and also practiced classical singing, participated in competitions throughout India. And this is my first time participating in here. So I'm really excited to be a part of this wonderful experience. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next contestant is Jasjot Sahni. इन्होंने हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक सीखा बचपन में और ये एक दिन प्लेबैक सिंगिंग करना चाहती हैं. Jasjot Sahni.
दिल हूँ करे घबराए धन धाम धाम करे कर जाए एक बूंद कभी पानी की मोरी अखियों से बरसाए तेरी झोरी डारूं सब
बहुत बढ़िया। हम लोग ग्रैंड मास्टर साहब की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी लगी।
मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि जो कलाकार अपना हाई पॉइंट समझ जाए ना, तो उसके लिए मंजिल बहुत बहुत कम समय में उसको मिल सकती है। आपकी हाई पॉइंट ये है कि आपकी आवाज़ में एक पहाड़ीपन है, उसको कैच करें।
अप्रिशिएट, थैंक यू।
Ladies and gentlemen, this singer's profession is software development. She's all the way from New Jersey. Please welcome with round of applause Himadri Bahuguna.
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। लेकिन आपने इतनी आसानी से कह दिया सब कुछ। सो हम काम करते हैं, अपने जजेस की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, अपने ग्रैंड मास्टर की तरफ पहुंचते हैं। जतिन जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
I think you should work on your diction. That's going to be normally problems with a lot of the singers from USA because they don't talk in Hindi much. But if you try and learn Urdu, it will help you a lot. Because my son, he had also studied in USA, but I told him to study Urdu. It will help you a lot.
Okay.
And God bless you. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate your performance.
How does it feel to perform in front of Jatin ji?
I mean, मेरे को इतना गाने का मन है और मैं अभी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर हूँ, पर मेरा एक्चुअल मन सिर्फ संगीत में है. So I was just nervous.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Debalina Banerjee, all the way from sunny California.
Hi everyone. Hello judges.
नहीं मिलन ये संग है उम्र भर का बाहों में चले हाँ हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा हो हमसे सनम क्या
Awesome, awesome. बाहों में चले आओ। और हम लोग चलते हैं अपने जजेस की तरफ। अनुपमा जी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
You have very powerful voice बट ये गाना जो है लता जी ने गाया है और बहुत सॉफ्टली उन्होंने गाया है, सो वो फील जो है वो नहीं आया, क्योंकि ये आप बहुत फोर्स के साथ गा रहे हैं, बट गाने को समझना पड़ता है कि वो किस फिल्म में गाना है। वो इतना रोमांटिक गाना है, उसे इतना फोर्स के साथ नहीं गाया जाता। सो आप आगे ध्यान रखिए।
One big round of applause for Debolina, please. Thank you. Thank you much.
How did it go? कैसी थी आपकी?
I think it went well. I got really good tip from Pandit Jatin ji and also Anupama ji. So it means a lot to get just a little bit of tip for them. It was so effective, and I think overall the performance went well. I'm very happy with it.
Here comes from California, Jocelyn Caters. When you tell me that you love me.
I wanna call the stars down from the skies. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. All the impossible I wanna do. I wanna hold too close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know what's beautiful looking at you in a world of lies. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are, and bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. You love me.
Let's go to the Grand Marshal. He seems to be mesmerized, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful. It was so voice modulation and ascending, descending, and the way you were projecting the song. Oh, it was not just the song, but I could see the visual. And the best thing I'll tell you is, after when you say you love me, I feel like loving my wife. Once again, that's my wife, and she's a finance wizard, and very, very extremely brilliant mind she has. Whatever I am today is because of her. Very extraordinary brain. She's a Parsi and a very good singer. God has been very kind that I got her in my life.
Ma'am, please.
And your song is so intoxicating that it really made me feel like, once again, believe. And that quality has to come. If you're talking about something, it has to have that content and that meaning which force you to do that thing. That is what a good song is all about.
You are all set. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, Jocelyn.
How does that make you feel?
Yeah, I feel like it's like really sweet, and I'm happy to hear about his compliment about my singing, and then happy to see Sir Jatin. He's my idol.
What made you want to come into an Indian competition like this?
Yes, I see this, and then in a YouTube, and then I feel that I want to join too, and then glad when I try to into.
So when did you start singing? What was your journey like as a singer? Where did it begin, and what made you want to pursue singing?
Yeah, back in the Philippines, I joining since I was grade school, I just always joining competition like that. Sometimes, you know, sad, but everything is.
I'm from India and currently working in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Being part of International Indian Icon is a great experience.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kavita Tavdare from Wisconsin, Milwaukee. बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी नाइस। विरासत अनु मलिक साहब।
देखिए, मैं बड़ा साधारण तरीका है एक कि आप अगर अच्छा गाना सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं खुद ही, तो क्या होता है ना कि आपकी 30% आपकी कामयाबी आपके हाथ में आ जाती है। अब आप कोई बहुत ही फालतू गाना उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह गाएं, तो एक तो क्या है कि वो गाने को समझना पड़ता है कि ये गाना क्या गा रहा है, और फिर उसके बाद फिर उसमें मार्क्स देने पड़ते हैं। अब ये गाना ही इतना मीठा है, इतना सुंदर गाना, बाप रे बाप, कैसे कंपोज किया है आनंद बख्शी साहब, शक्ति सावंत, हार्डी बर्मन साहब।
Guys, give it up for Kavita one more time. Thank you.
How did it go? How was your?
It was really good. At least I did my best, how much I can.
It's the most important.
Yeah, so it was a great experience. So this is my first time in International Indian Icon, so it's a great experience.
Singing has been my passion since childhood. मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, गर याद रही. So I want to make a mark in the singing industry, and winning this competition is extremely important for me, and that's the reason I'm here from so far in New Jersey. I would like to become a playback singer, and I hope with this opportunity I'm able to do that. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Preeti Sheth Tuteja, all the way from New Jersey, trained in Hindustani classical music.
Akhi
सधा हुआ समझते हैं आप क्या? मतलब यहाँ से शुरू किया, यहाँ खत्म किया, उसके बीच में ना कहीं ड्रॉप नहीं आना चाहिए, वो सिंक में लगनी चाहिए बात। यहाँ से शुरू हुई, यहाँ खत्म हुई, बेदाग काम जिसको बोलते हैं, जैसा कि लोगों ने किया है। आपकी सिलेक्शन की मैं दाद देता हूँ, लेकिन आप में बहुत मेहनत करना है, तली बहुत दूर है।
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jatin ji. Thank you very much. And we'll be right back.
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां।
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां।
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां। झूलिया देख लो अब ये आसमां।
झूलिया देख लो अब ये आसमां।
International Indian